Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use ClickUp for project management. So first things first, you have to go to a browser and then sign up for ClickUp. It's a very easy tool, so all you have to do is to add your email address, password, or connect to Google. And here is the ClickUp interface. So is your workspace. You can just basically edit this one or you can add another workspace here. Let's just say you are managing a team and you wanted to add some tasks to specific team members. So for example, if you want to create a new workspace here, just tap on the plus icon and then here you can choose for what layout you want and then add a V workspace right here. So as you can see above here is the layout. There is this list. You can see here board, calendar, and other view. If you're familiar with Kanban or other views or layout here, then basically you can tap this view and then select any of this layout or view right here that you can use for your project management. So I'm going to tap on list. I'm going to use the list layout or view. And then here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some tasks. So here are the features inside Click Apps, but we will not go further to that. So in order for you to add some tasks right here, just click this one and just type the task or enter the task or paste the task here. So I will be adding some task here. You will see that I have here the list of my task. And then here on the right side, there is this person icon. So if you're going to tap this, if you have added that person here on your Click app, especially the email address of that person, then all you have to do is to select that email address of that person. If not, then basically you need to invite them. You need to enter their email address and then invite. Once they have accepted the invitation, and then you can just select them. You can assign a task here. Just tap and then their email address or name will pop up. So that's how you assign a task here in ClickUp. So next we have here due date. If you tap this one, a calendar view will show up and all you have to do is to click that specific date for a deadline or for this task or this assignment to be passed or submitted. Then here is the priority, urgent. You can see here high, urgent, low, so that your team members will know or see if this one is in high priority, urgent, or just low. And then here on the next side, if you want to add another property or field, you just have to click this one. For example, if you want to add your team member's phone, if you want to add files, if you want to tap on location, the address of your teammates, so you can choose from any of these fields right here. It will be added automatically to your view or list view. So basically that's it. And then you can now share this one if you want or download, but this is how easy it is to use ClickUp for project management. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.